Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. I just got off of a makeup Zoom party with my friends, and one of them recommended that I get on here and share my favorite makeup products with you guys. And I feel like it was a fabulous idea, so I'm not making this intro too long. Let's get started. The first product that I really love is this E.L.F. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I use this every day as well as before I do my makeup. It is light, it has vitamin E in it, it makes my skin feel very hydrated and soft. It is very weightless and it feels so good under my makeup. Next is the primer that I love and I use most of all. It is the Urban Decay All Nighter Primer. Listen, when I tell you, you can use this for work, you can use this for going out at any time. You can use this primer. It feels so amazing and so smooth. It's a mattifying primer. It's long wear. It's going to keep your makeup on your face. Your foundation is not going to slide. It's not going to crack. It is going to be a look that you can keep on throughout whatever event that you're wearing it to, throughout your work day, into happy hour. I have two favorite eyeshadow palettes. One is from Maybelline. It can be found at any drugstore. It is the City Mini palette. It has every color I need or that I could need. And it also has colors that I can use for highlighting and contouring. The more higher end palette that I use a lot is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in conjunction with Jackie Aina. These colors are, I feel like they're timeless. They can be used for just about anything. The shimmers are so beautiful, and the undertones of the shimmers are colors that are already in this palette as well. If you've seen any of my makeup videos on Instagram, you know what my favorite lash is. Broad lashes are my absolute favorite lash. The seller of these lashes is located in Houston, Texas, where I live, and this Houston lash is my absolute favorite. They are beautiful, they are luxurious, they're soft, they can be worn multiple times, and they are only $10. When it comes to color correcting and highlighting, LA Girl has it covered. I love the color Fawn for highlighting, and I like the orange color for color correcting my hyperpigmentation. These concealers are high definition. They are a little bit thicker to give you extra coverage, but they blend out really nice. They cover dark spots, dark circles under your eyes. They highlight under your eyes, down the bridge of your nose perfectly. They have a color green if you have red spots. They have basically any color you can think of, and the brown colors I could also use as a foundation if I needed to. And if you find them at a drugstore, you're going to pay about $5 for them, but if you go to a beauty supply store, you can get them for $2. I never thought that my favorite foundation would be a drugstore foundation. Maybelline Superstay is a 24-hour foundation, and of course I never worn it for that long, but I've worn it for 12 hours and it is full coverage. It dries semi-matte and it covers hyperpigmentation without me needing to color correct. I don't know who came up with this formula over there at Maybelline, but y'all did it with this one. This is my absolute favorite, and I think I paid probably about $5 for it. I like to give the blush effect without having to purchase a full blush palette. I use MAC's eyeshadow as blush, and it comes off so beautifully on my skin. This color is called Hot Sauce. It is color A99, but all of these MAC eyeshadows that come separately are super pigmented, super beautiful, and not as expensive as I would have thought they would be. For I contour, the powder that I use is actually a bronzer from Fenty. I was using Coco Naughty, but now I use Mocha Mommy. And the color is rich with like a brownish red clay feel to it. and it is weightless and beautiful, and it works so wonderfully for bronzer and contouring. When it comes to lippies, I have two that are top tier, my go-to lips. I could not choose just one. The crayon case in the color Gumbo. This liquid lip comes out so luscious and so beautiful, and that brown is what I'm wearing now, and it dries matte, but it's not too drying on the lips. The same thing goes for this NARS Power Matte lip pigment in the color Rock With You. This red is it's just luscious and beautiful, and when it dries, it doesn't leave that like rolled up dryness that some of the matte lippies can have, but these two together are like the dream team of lips. The dream team. I cannot say enough good things about both of these lippies. I really battled with this one because I have a couple of setting powders that I really, really love, but Miss Laura Mercier is top tier, okay? You get what you pay for with this setting powder. It is finely milled, it feels really good, very little scent to it, and there's no flashback with this setting powder. I have the color medium deep. It works so well on top of foundation, contouring, and highlighting. This is my all-time favorite. It comes second to none. Out of all of the setting powders that I have, this one has never let me down. My favorite mascara used to be Maybelline. Now it's E.L.F. I really like this mascara. It is waterproof. It provides length and volume to my real lashes. I like the formula and I like the feel. It is truly waterproof. Even when I spray setting spray on it, it stays in place. I like the applicator and it doesn't cake up on my lashes. My eyeliner favorite, my liquid eyeliner favorite is from NYX. It is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I love it because it has like a marker tip, and that makes for an easy glide on and a super smooth line. My favorite setting spray is not really a setting spray at all. This is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist, and I use this after I wash my face and I want it to feel soft and clean, but I also use this to set my makeup. I was so surprised. After I used my MAC Fix Plus for so long and I ran out, I said, well, I have this, let me give it a try. And this facial mist, it's scented with rose water and it is a vegan formula. I really can't say enough good things about this. It feels really good on the skin with or without makeup. I also use this to wet my sponges and my brushes. When it comes to contouring my face, I actually use a foundation stick. This is from Juvia's Place. This is the color Katsina, but the entire foundation stick line can be used for contouring as well as highlighting. There you have it, guys. Those are my favorite makeup things that I'm using right now. I've really enjoyed this journey, getting to know products and brands and being able to mix and match and not just be stuck with one thing or one brand or one kind of product. I've enjoyed, learning if I am a dewy or a matte girl, or if I'm a full coverage or a medium coverage girl, or if I'm a light or full contour girl. I really feel like makeup is whatever you make it, and if you just take some time to explore, you'll find exactly what works for you. What I would recommend is trying samples when outside is open again and not committing to something until you truly, truly love it. Thanks for watching this episode of Conversations with Candace. Until next time, y'all have a good day.